heard it being mentioned a number of times that we should avoid nesting attributes because future attribute magic will not work with nested attributes. But there's a problem with that, because current query functionality does not allow for non-nested blocks to show, and I have a solution for that. So first, let me just demonstrate you the problem. So I have here an old project, which is my project of the past, but I'm now not nesting the attributes under it, under the tag. And I have my new project where you can see that under the project, I have a set of references to the attributes that I would like to show in the query. I've put this in double brackets so I can elegantly just close it so it doesn't clutter my project page. And let me show how this looks in query view. So the old project, all I see is project, not extremely helpful. With my new project, where I have these nested attributes, I can actually see a good level of detail about the project. And also, just for reference, if I come to my old project and I do it the old way, where I nest the attributes, then you can actually see why I was nesting attributes until now, because this way I have the nested attributes here, but this is what we are advised against. So how do I solve this? What I've done is I've created a Roam 42 smart block, but I've actually taken some part of the smart block and placed it into a Roam.js block. I'm trying to show you what's in the Roam.js block. There you go. So this is a Roam.js block, and you can see the code here. And then I've created three different types of or three functions that I can place into my template. I have the store element ID, which stores the location where I want to build up the header. I have the store UID function, which stores the block UID for the blocks I want to include in the header, so I can mark which attributes I want to include in the header. And finally, I have an insert refs function, which simply takes the stored UIDs and stores it under the function. And then with this, if I have my Roam.js script running, I can simply create multiple such templates for myself. So if I go to today, I can put in, for example, a meeting, and my meeting will then look like this. And of course, on the page, normally I can just go and collapse this. So this is what I wanted to show you, and you will find the link to GitHub with the code in the notes. Thank you.